Summit Natural Drinking Water, the official bottled water of Philippine national athletes. Reach for it.
Tastes good. I love Cerelac. Okay.
Meeting pa ta.
Ako si Chuck Reyes, Quezon City, Tubong, Malolos, Bulacan. Malaman ako para sa Pilipinas.
Okay. Set.
Big mouth. Wow. Sarap. Ang sarap.
Tingin pa talaga sa
Tinitingin pa sa
camera.
camera. Hinga-hinga pag may time, ha? Hinga-hinga.
Second serving na to. Grabe ka na. Grabe na yung baby namin
First Pacific, sumusuporta sa Gilas Pilipinas.
Tingin talaga sa camera eh. Sarap. Yummy. Yummy.
Motoline Express Delivery.
Yummy, baby. Yummy.
Service na nagde-deliver araw-gabi nationwide. Pwede kang bayaran through credit card. Motoline 370 Moto.
Okay.
Oh.
Finish.
Every night, the atmosphere inside the Mall of Asia Arena, Richard, absolutely electric. I've never seen anything like this. It's such a privilege
Finish
to
na,
be here over the stage
Finish na.
and to see yung Filipino pride, yung pride that
It's plenty na.